Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Today is Monday, April 1, live here in Caloocan City. Breeze or the warm air from the Pacific Ocean continue to exist here in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, where today we will experience slight cloudiness. Do not be complacent because we will still experience hot weather, especially in the afternoon, but we still do not see any bad weather that will affect our country. As for the weather this Saturday, including Metro Manila, we will still experience intense heat and cloudy skies. So if we go out, let's not forget the things we can use to block the heat. Always rest and drink water time to time. And if possible, let's stay at home until it's warm to avoid the cause of hot weather. In the afternoon, we will experience mist caused by a localized thunderstorm. And for the next few days, the Luzon part we will experience cloudy and hot weather, so continue to be careful, fellow citizens. I'm Nami Walina. Good morning, everyone.